Do you know the top 5 building codes that New York City co-op and condo board members need to know? There are tons of codes and building regulations that regulate how the buildings are constructed and maintained. Hi, I'm Tina Larsson, the co-founder and owner of the Folsom Group. We work with co-op and condo boards and apartment building owners to reduce their operating costs to make them greener and more sustainable. And today I'm going to give you the top 3 out of the 5 codes that are going to New York City building codes. They're frequently changed because of various disasters and outcries of technological advances. So number 1 is facade inspection. Facade inspections are required to be done every 5 years in New York City, and repairs at the same time, which is one of the reasons why there's scaffolding all over New York. It's one of the most costlier codes, only because it has to be done every 5 years. Number 2, the energy codes. There are 4 different codes that are actually involved or included in the energy codes, starting with benchmarking to retrofitting, meaning changing all the systems, to the building grading system, to the Climate Mobilization Act, which passed in 2019, where buildings will actually be fined based on not reducing their carbon. Number 3, gas inspection, because there's been an increase in gas catastrophes in New York and explosions. All buildings now need to be inspected. All their gas lines need to be inspected as part of Local Law 152. That started in 2020 and will be rolled out over the next 4 years, and then every building needs to be inspected every 4 years. So if you want the extended list and all 5 codes, drop me an email at the bottom and I will send you the whole list. I'm Tina Larsson, the Folsom Group. We cut costs for co-ops and condos.